a lot of times because travel is such a unit cost-driven business, because of its scale, there is the feeling that as a service provider, I cannot say yes to this because then everyone else is going to ask for the same thing. If I give it to one person, I have to give it to the other 300 as well on that flight. That is not really true, right? And I remember a long time ago when I was working with Singapore Airlines, we had a program that was called Transforming Customer Service. And the key question that we all answered for ourselves was transforming from what to what? At that point, we were already the best airline in the world. How can you transform the best into something even better, right? So that was a challenge that we all spent months internally figuring it out. But one of the key, most memorable things that I carry with me till today is that there is no right answer. There are some wrong answers, what you shouldn't be doing, but there's no real right answer because it really depends on what your customer needs at that point of time. And we were empowered to deliver upon the needs as much as we thought we needed to. And I remember the caveat that was told to us when we tried to put boundaries around this, as typically frontliners do. You know what our CEO told us? He said, just don't sell the company. Just don't sell the company and you'll be fine. And that was such an empowering statement for all of us, right? So if you start to look at commercial excellence, customer experience, that's how it all comes together. Drawing that overall strategy to deliver upon the brand promises and to deliver upon a brand promise in a way that the customer goes away remembering that promise was lived up to.